Quantification fallacies occur when an argument incorrectly applies quantifiers, leading to invalid conclusions. Quantification fallacy is a logical error involving the improper use of quantifiers, terms like all, some, or none in arguments. The key quantifiers of significance are universal quantifier, existential quantifier. Examples of universal quantifiers are all, every. The fallacy of a proper quantification with the universal quantifier is when we make sweeping statements about all members of a group based on limited or biased evidence. This can happen when raw generalizations about an entire population of phenomena without considering the full range of variables at play. Examples of universal quantifier are: number one, all animals have four legs. It may seem true based on observation of cows and goats, but it overlooks the fact that snakes and birds exist. Second, all swans are white. This statement assumes that every single swan in existence is white, which is not necessarily true. In reality, there are black swans found. Existential quantifier like some few. The fallacy of improper quantification involves an existential quantifier occurs when the logical structure of an argument mistakenly assumes the existence of a particular element in a set without sufficient evidence or logical basis. It is when researchers make a broad generalization based on a limited sample size. This fallacy occurs when proponents claim that a particular phenomenon exists based solely on the observation of a few instances without considering the possibility of other factors influencing the outcome. Examples of existential quantifier are: number one, some individuals who consume a certain type of food experience negative side effects. It would be fallacious to claim that all people who consume that food will have similar reactions. Number two, some members of a study group have a particular effect. A researcher might observe a particular effect in some and then improperly generalize that the effect applies to the entire population. Quantification fallacy can manifest in various forms, often subtly influencing analytical outcomes and interpretations. For instance, it may occur when a universal premise leads to a particular conclusion, which is an unjustified leap in logic. In quantitative analysis, the fallacy can be particularly consequential, and it may affect the validity of statistical analysis and the reliability of data-driven decisions. To mitigate such errors, analysts are encouraged to critically evaluate their methodological approaches and adhere to rigorous standards of hypothesis testing and data interpretation. Quantification fallacy is quite common. Do you remember any politician or journalist using it?